In this training video, I will show you how to list inoperable equipment through your equipment tab. Okay, so I am at a job site and I'm going to be setting some axle fans. Okay, so I know I've got 20. I need to go set some of these axle fans. And number 45, I'm right about to pull it off the truck. It's available, but it's inoperable. The cord is completely torn. So I have to re-status this. It's available, it's on truck 1, it's air mover number 35, but it's not going to be available anymore, so I have to re-status it, reclassify it. So you click on that pencil and say that it's inoperable. Okay, so if you can see, number 45 is gone, and it came off of truck 1, but it's inoperable. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to go back to my equipment tab. I want to confirm this situation here about inoperable. So as you can see, the axle fan, it was part of 20. Okay, so 1 is missing. It's not on truck 1, and it never was set at the job site because we marked it inoperable. So I'm going to go to view. Actually, I'm going to go to inoperable. Okay, and what I'm going to see. Okay, we know that one total is inoperable, and let's view it. Okay, there's the axle fan. It's off of truck 1, and it's inoperable. Okay. Okay, so let's say that it's been repaired now. We put a brand new cord on it, and we want to get this back into our inventory. And more importantly, we want it back in on board truck 1. It's inoperable, but not anymore. It's been repaired. Click on this pencil right there. It's still inoperable. We're going to make it available again. Okay, so let's go back to the equipment tab. And as you can see, we are back up to 20. All right, so that one that was inoperable, in other words, it was broken, has been repaired, and we put it back into the inventory. And that's how you would classify an inoperable piece of equipment and then put it back to available. And that's how that works. To your success, and thank you for watching.